Hello guys, today we're going to show you, we literally just changed tires and we need to reset tire pressure light warning light on Audi Q5 2020 hybrid. So first what you need to do is go down here, right in the middle here, and press menu. Then you got that on screen, right? Then I use this bottom here till you go to keep spinning till you go to car, right? Then press car. Then from there you need to go down here, right in the middle, and press this. As long as you press that, that's what you're gonna get on the screen, right? Then scroll down, keep scrolling down, then go to service and check. Press, right? What you see there, tire pressure. Then press, it said store tire pressure. Then press again, confirm, go up, yes, store now. Let's go.
It's okay.
Yeah, now the message is gone. That's how you reset the tire pressure light on Audi Q5 2020. Many thanks for watching.